In this video, you'll learn how to remove a custom domain in Vercel. By following these steps, you will successfully unlink a custom domain from your project, allowing you to manage your domains more effectively. Begin by navigating to the Vercel website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Vercel URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Vercel dashboard, which displays your projects and their statuses. Next, look for the Overview section on the dashboard. This section provides a high-level view of your projects. Click on the Overview tab to access detailed information about your deployments and settings. After that, locate the Projects tab on the left sidebar. This option allows you to view all projects associated with your account. Click on Projects to see a list of your available projects. Once you have accessed the Projects section, click on the Deployments tab. This will show you all the deployments associated with your selected project. Find and select the specific project from which you want to remove the custom domain. Next, click on your project from the list. This action will redirect you to the project's specific page. Here you will find various options and settings related to your project, including deployment checks and domain management. Following this, select the deployment checks option. This section provides insights into the deployment statuses and any issues that may need addressing. Make sure to review any alerts that may appear before proceeding. Now, click on Assigning Custom Domains. This section allows you to manage the domains associated with your project. You will see a list of current domains linked to your project. After that, locate and click on the Custom Domain entry. This will take you to a detailed view of the domain settings. Here you can see the domain you want to remove. Next, click on the Manage button next to the custom domain you intend to remove. This action will open the management options for that specific domain. Once you have accessed the management options, click on Edit. This will allow you to modify the settings of the selected domain, including the option to remove it. Then, click on the domain you wish to remove. This selection will highlight the domain and prepare it for the next action. Now, you will find an option to remove your custom domain. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. This action is crucial as it disconnects the domain from your project. If applicable, type in your previous domain name. This step may be necessary for verification purposes, especially if you intend to associate the domain with another project later. Next, click on Connect to an environment. This step ensures that any changes you make are correctly applied to the environment settings of your project. Then, select the option Redirect to another domain if you wish to redirect traffic from the removed domain to a new one. This can be useful for maintaining user access during the transition. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm all changes made during this process. This confirmation is essential to ensure that your domain management settings are updated and applied correctly. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.